We are going to be updating my Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with the newly released update One UI 8.0 and with Android 16. Currently, I have UI 7 and Android 15. And here it says briefly here, elevate your everyday with Galaxy AI. One UI 8 and Android 16 enhance your AI experience with smarter tools for communication, creativity, and personalization. Upgrade to enjoy advanced AI-powered features like call captions, improved portrait generation, and more relevant now briefs. Some app updates. Update these apps. Then update information. One UI version 8, Android version 16, the different versions here. And the size is 3,328,000.40 megabytes, or we can just say 3.3 gigabytes. Security patch level for September 1st, 2025. And it gives us a caution. You won't be able to use your phone during the update, even for emergency calls. Some settings may change after the update. The update shouldn't affect your personal data, but it's always a good idea to back up your data just in case. All right. Now let's look at all the changes we have here. For the One UI 8.0 Android 16, it looks like it's going to be a lot of updates. Look at that scroll. Let's learn more. A little bit easier to read, maybe. A little bit for my phone S24 Plus. The build number, Android version, release date. It says release date here, but I didn't get it to 2 days ago. So it was like on the 21st. Okay, so we have here see calls on the screen. Call caption shows what each person says on the screen in real time during calls. Follow the conversation on your screen to make sure you don't miss anything. Create unique pet portraits. Bring your pet's personality with Portrait Studio. You can now apply portrait effects to pictures of dogs, cats, in addition to people. Choose from styles like fisheye lens, oil painting, and more. Clean up sound. Use audio eraser to automatically reduce volume of wind and other background noises so you can focus on who's talking. Audio eraser can be used in gallery, video player, Samsung Notes, voice recorder, and phone. Stay up to date with Now Brief. Get timely updates and useful information throughout the day based on your interest and context. You can access Now Brief from Edge Panel, home screen widget, and notifications on your Now bar. Translate emergency alerts. Never miss important alerts, even when it's not in your language. When you receive an emergency alert in your language that's different from your system language, Galaxy AI will automatically translate it for you. Faster AI Select. No more waiting. When you start AI Select, you can now select an area of the screen immediately. Yeah, I remember the AI Select is you gotta do it, you click and nothing happens, then you gotta do it again. More convenient AI results. When you summarize or translate content in supported apps and landscape view, the results will now appear alongside the original so you can view them together. Personalization. New lock screen clock. A stylish clock with new font available to make your lock screen stand out from the crowd. The new clock moves with the shape of your photos and blends seamlessly to avoid covering pictures of people or animals. Wallpaper suggestion. Get help finding new wallpaper. Your phone will recommend the best photos for your gallery in the categories such as landscapes, cities, flowers, pets, and people. Productivity. Check stock prices without unlocking. Stocks you follow on local finance with big price changes will appear on your Now bar at the end of the trading day. Easier file sharing with Quick Share. It's never been easier to send and receive files. Tap the Quick Share button to Quick Settings to get started. You can receive files while the Quick Share screen is open and send files to others directly from Quick Share. Sticky notes. Add quick annotations. On top of documents in Samsung Notes, there are no limits to the number of sticky notes you can add, and it's easy to remove them later without disturbing the original document. Find downloads fast. You can now filter files based on the app that was used to download them. Works in downloaded and recent views in My Files. A redesigned Samsung Internet. Access features you need quickly. The Samsung Internet menu has been optimized to make it easy to access features you use most. You can also customize the layout to match your personal preference. Scientific calculator in portrait view. Scientific calculator in portrait view. Use the scientific calculator without the need to rotate the screen. The scientific calculator now works in portrait view in addition to landscape. Multitasking. Do more in DeX on connected displays. You can now add widgets to your home screen when using DeX on connected displays, as well as control settings for the mouse on the screen keyboard. Enhanced display support for DeX. The new Samsung DeX gives you more options when connected to an external monitor or TV. You can choose an optimized display resolution up to WQHD and rotate the display 90, 180, or 270 degrees. Enhance split screen view. While two apps are open in split screen view, you can push one app against the edge of the screen to keep it partially visible while giving most of your focus to the other app. Tap the smaller app anytime to switch between them quickly. Reminder. New reminder interface. The reminder app has been redesigned with categories shown at the top of the screen, making it easier to see how many reminders are in each category with a quick glance. Custom categories can be hidden with a quick tap to free up more screen space, or tap one more time to make them appear again. New sample reminders. Discover the power of reminders. Sample reminder templates are now available in the Reminder app. Explore these reminders to see what you can do to manage important tasks in your life. Add reminders easily. It's never been easier to add new reminders. Just type your reminder into the box at the bottom of the screen. Suggestions will appear as you type that you can tap to save. You can add checklists, locations, pictures using buttons below the text box. Or if you don't want to type at all, tap the mic icon for voice input. Calendar. Manage reminders in Calendar. You can easily create reminders in Calendar app without opening the Reminder app. Whenever you tap the plus button, you'll have the choice of adding an event or a reminder. You can also drag and drop reminders on your calendar to reschedule them. Add events quickly. When you start adding events to Quick Add menu, you can get suggestions for events named, time based on the past events. Just tap one of the suggestions to add an event without additional typing. Samsung Health. Running Coach. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced runner, the new running coach features in Samsung Health provide personalized training programs and tips to help you run farther, faster, while minimizing the risk of injury. Works with Galaxy Watch 7 or higher. Bedtime guidance. Get to sleep at the right time so you can wake up feeling refreshed. The new bedtime guidance feature analyzes your sleep data and recommends the best time to go to sleep each night. Running challenges. In addition to step challenges, you can now challenge your friends to run. You can set a target distance and see who gets there the fastest, or set a time limit and see who runs the fastest. Check your antioxidant intake. The Antioxidant Index Labs feature uses your Galaxy Watch to detect level of carotenoids in your skin. Carotenoid. That's a new word to me. I don't think I've ever seen that word before. Carotenoids. Oh, we'll assume that's what it means. Carotenoids are the type of antioxidant contained in fruits, vegetables that can help prevent physical aging. Works with Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch Ultra. Food recording reminders. Stay on track and meet your calorie goals. You can now set reminders for recording your food intake in Samsung Health. Track your vascular load. Use your Galaxy Watch to measure your vascular load, which is the amount of stress on your blood vessels. First, create a baseline measurement by wearing your watch while sleeping for at least 3 days. Then you'll be able to see when your vascular load gets higher or lower over time. Works with Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch Ultra. Share health data with friends and family. You can now share health data with anyone you choose, even if they're not a member of your family group. Photo and video. Swipe up or down to open quick controls. Access quick controls in camera even quicker than before by swiping up or down anywhere in the preview area. In camera settings, change the swipe up and down option to open quick controls. Get perfect lighting with exposure monitors. The new exposure monitor for Pro and Pro Video modes help you get the right exposure in your picture and videos. Choose zebra pattern to show the stripes on the areas that are overexposed, or choose false color to color code everything based on its exposure level. Advanced editing with log videos. Go pro level control over video color grading by recording in log format. Just turn on the log in the camera settings and preview, then start shooting. Works in video and pro video modes. Audio enhancements. Quick access to Galaxy Buds settings. It's easier than ever before to control your Galaxy Buds. You can now adjust Bud settings directly from your phone settings without the need to open the Galaxy Wearable app. Easily connect to Overcast Broadcast. Overcast allows you to broadcast audio from one device to multiple listening devices at the same time. It's now easier to connect to Overcast Broadcast by simply scanning a QR code. You can also generate QR code to let others connect to your broadcast. Communication. Improved profile cards. It's easy to create and edit your profile card to get the perfect layout for your name and picture. After creating, you can share your profile card so other people can see it when you call them. Review recorded calls in context. It is now easy to review your past conversations. Calls you recorded now appear on the contact history screen. Security and privacy. Enhanced secure folder. Keep sensitive apps and data in a separate protected area on your phone. You can now set secure folder to choose apps and prevent notifications when you lock it. You can also completely hide and encrypt the secure folder for maximum protection. Stronger account security. Knox Matrix regularly scans device signed into your Samsung account for security risk. When a serious risk is found on your device will be automatically signed out of your Samsung account to protect the security risk from spreading to your account and other devices. You can check the security status of your device anytime in security and privacy settings. Show or hide notification content while locked. The option to show or hide notification content while your phone is locked is now located in notification settings. Choose to show content for quick access to notifications without unlocking your phone, or choose to hide your content to keep your notifications private and prevent others from seeing them. Accessibility. Pinch and zoom with the Assistant menu. The Assistant menu now provides more ways to zoom in and out of this on the screen. In addition to dragging one finger, you can now adjust the zoom level by pressing buttons on the screen. Control mouse actions with your keyboard. If you can't or don't want to use a mouse, turn on the mouse keys in accessibility settings to use your physical keyboard to move the mouse pointer, click, hold, and scroll. Magnify your keyboard. You can now make the keys on your screen keyboard larger so they're easier to see and tap. Turn on magnifying keyboard while typing in magnification settings to try it. Easily pair Bluetooth hearing aids. You can now pair and connect Bluetooth hearing aids and device directly on the hearing aid support screen in accessibility settings. Modes and routines. New present routines. Check out the new present routines for weather and other advanced conditions. Use them as they are or customize them to meet your needs. New routine actions. New actions are available for get data from the clock, calendar, Samsung Notes app. After you get data, you can now use it in other conditions or actions in your routine. Even more improvements. Easily organize alarms. You can now add existing alarms to alarm groups by tapping the plus button on the alarm group screen. You can also add alarm groups to a widget on your home screen, and you can all turn all of the alarms in the group on or off with a single tap. Enhance app notification settings. You can now choose the pop-up notification style for each app separately in the app's notification settings. Get quicker support. Enjoy quicker check-ins when you visit Samsung service centers. You can use NFC or scan or QR code to share the basic information, such as your name and phone number, with staff without filling out any forms. Your data is encrypted and can only be accessed by the Samsung support staff. Revamped uh, weather visuals. The weather app now provides more rich, realistic images to help you intuitively understand the current weather condition. And I think that's it. Yeah. All right, let's install. Getting ready to restart. This may take several minutes. Welcome. 158.0. Start. Galaxy AI. Advanced Intelligence. Enhance your communication. Call Assist. Get real-time translation during voice call. Writing Assist. Get tools to compose, organize, and improve text, plus chat translation and suggested replies to text messages. Interpreter. Live translation of spoken conversation available as voice or text output. Unleash your productivity. Note Assist. Auto format, summarize, spell check, and translate text. Transcribe and summarize recordings. Decorate notes with AI-generated covers and images, all with Note Assist. Transcript Assist. Transcribe voice and call recordings into text, then summarize them for easy review. Browsing Assist. Get simple summaries of web pages, translate text and images. Here, summarize web pages, read aloud, and listen to highlights from articles and post on select sites. Create epic images and video. Photo Assist. Reimagine images with AI. Add new things. Move things around. Take things away. And turn people and pets into cartoons, paintings, and more. Drawing Assist. Transform simple sketches into awesome art. Create images from text descriptions and turn photos into cartoons, paintings, and more. Audio Eraser. Eliminate distracting noise from videos and audio recordings so voice and other sounds are clear. Turn ambient wallpaper. Photo ambient wallpaper. Photo ambient wallpaper. See how AI changes your own photo based on time and weather. Get personalized insights. Now brief. Get a personalized briefing with suggested content and actions, then change throughout the day. Health Assist. Get personalized insights and guidance based on your Samsung Health data. The first time you use Galaxy AI advanced intelligence features in an app or service that require data collection to provide results, we'll let you know before your data is collected and processed. You're all set up. Explore Galaxy AI features and more and settings. in tips and user guides. See what's new. Do more with Gemini. Press and hold the side button to talk to Gemini. You can ask about what you see throughout your phone or on your phone screen in real time. Gemini also lets you make complex tasks simple. Try asking Gemini to add your favorite team's next 5 games to your calendar or create a list of places mentioned in your YouTube video and save it in Samsung Notes. Start searching instantly from anywhere. Touch and hold the home button and then circle or tap text, images, or QR codes to learn more and explore. You can also translate on-screen text or search a song you're hearing or humming. Remove unwanted sounds with audio eraser. Audio eraser helps you get rid of distraction noise in your videos and audio recording. You can use it in gallery, video player, Samsung Notes, video recorder, and phone. Options may vary depending on your device. Create unique portraits of people and pets. Transfer pictures of people and pets into cartoons, painting them more with the Portrait Studio in the photo editor. Don't miss a word during calls. Use call captions to show what each person says on the screen in real time. Put your best face forward. Best face helps you fix blinks, odd expressions, and missed smiles with a single tap. Just turn on the motion photo when you take the shot and then choose the best expression in the photo editors afterwards. Get recommended wallpaper from your own images. We'll recommend your best images from the gallery app. Try a lock screen clock that fits your photos. A stylish clock with new font is available to make your lock screen stand out from the crowd. Your new clock adjusts to the shape of your photo for seamless style. Works with pictures or people or animals. Easier access to Galaxy Buds settings. You can now control your Galaxy Buds directly from your phone settings without the need to open the Galaxy wearable app. Galaxy Buds settings only appear when the Galaxy Buds are connected to your phone. Go home. That was just a look of the update process of my Galaxy S24 Plus and the new UI 8 and Android 16.